Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk to you about comments and how to disable Python code. So here we go. So say you want to leave a comment to yourself or some notes, or maybe to other people that are reading your code, but you don't want to have that notation affect your code. So how do you do that? All you have to do is start with a number sign and whatever you want to leave as a comment. This is a print statement. Okay, and when you run this, it's going to skip over this line and just print hi. Similarly, if you want to do inline comment, you can do something like this as well. And when you run this, same result. Alright, so that was kind of cool, but let me show you another trick. Say you are printing by, and then you're like, oh, I don't need this code right now. I want to disable this. So all you have to do is add a number sign right in the beginning there, and it'll disable this code. So when we run this, it's going to ignore this print by. Alright, not bad. Let me show you a cool shortcut. Now say we have multiple lines of code. I'll represent them by printing 1, 2, and 3. Like so. Say we want to disable these 3 lines very quickly. But we don't want to delete them. We just want to disable them so that we can use them later on. So in PyCharm, if you want to disable multiple lines of code real quick, highlight those lines that you want to disable, and what you're going to press is Control and / and it's going to comment out those 3 lines. Now if you want to re-enable them, same steps is Control / and they'll be re-enabled. So there you go. I hope you found this video very helpful. See you guys next time. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.